Right guys, I'm having a bit of a problem with this one. I've been given a lion hardened padlock without a key and I don't know if it works or not. I'm still learning how to single pin pick pins, but it goes into like a false set, but there's no other pins to compress afterwards, so I don't know if it's just seized up. It looks pretty rusty, so let me know what you guys think. Have to use quite a bit of tension. There you go. Use quite a bit of tension just to get it into a false set. It won't go any further, and none of the other pins want to move. So yeah, if you listen carefully, when I rotate it back you can hear the pins drop back in. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it broke or what? Cheers.